McBride says, give me two.
Give me that.
Cisse says no. Denies him. Klay Thompson, he'll pull up for three. Splash! Thompson a three.
How good has he been the last two ball games? Averaging 24 points. Has made 6 threes in both of those games versus Utah.
It's been Golden State type of Klay over the last few. As a team 1-9, their last 10. Another block by Moussa Cisse.
It is so quiet in this building, and that's hard to do.
Another corner three again.
The Knicks' third three.
Mavericks already have 30 points in this quarter. Nembhard, I don't know if that was a shot attempt, but a sweet lead for Cisse, who finishes. This lineup was 6-2 together. They were 31-17 together last year. So the better ball the Knicks played in that season, they got to the Eastern Conference Finals. Cisse. Brunson, no. Mavs with the rebound. That Celtics-Pistons game tonight, the lob. Cisse! Whoa! From Nembhard. Slow to get up.
I mean, one dribble up. Nembhard finding Cisse with the finish. Love when your bigs run the floor.
Swing by Nembhard. Christie, hot from three, chased off the line. Shot clock at 4. Cisse! Come on!
Cisse to the free throw line.
Foul. Marshall on the drive. Pitch inside to Cisse. It's still something to play. It's one of those very few road games that the place sticks out to players when they know they're coming to New York.
This vibe will never get old. When I was my first 7-8 years